Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Edgar-O. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the House of Nightmares. Speaking of the House of Nightmares, this is the first video for the House of Nightmares series. So my team and I, we were trying to come up with an idea on how we could come up with more Chucky videos for the Chucky fans on my channel, and we actually came up with this really cool idea called the House of Nightmares series, where we're gonna try to do a video once a month, and these videos are pretty much gonna be like Chucky related stuff or scary related stuff, whatever you can think of that's kind of like scary. So when we came up with this idea, I thought it was a pretty good idea. However, we are gonna try to keep up with the once a month videos because I have a really busy life. It's gonna be challenging, but I'm up for the challenge. But I want to know, do you guys think this is a good idea? Do you guys want to see a House of Nightmares series where we get to be up here in the House of Nightmares room and just kind of like talk about Chucky or scary stuff or anything related to like scary stuff? So yeah, let me know in the comments down below guys. I really want to know if you guys think that's a good idea. Do you guys want to see a House of Nightmares series? Like I said, it would be about Chucky, anything pretty much scary. But yes, please let me know in the comments down below. I would really want to see what you guys think of that. But alright guys, in today's video, holy crap, it is going to be a very exciting one. If you are following me on YouTube, I had asked you, what should my next Chucky video be about? Do you guys want to see a Chucky collection part 3? Do you guys want to see an unboxing of Chucky dolls? Do you guys want me to do a Chucky doll giveaway? Or do you guys want to see a tour of the House of Nightmares? And well, the Chucky fans have spoken and you guys picked that you guys wanted to see an unboxing Chucky dolls. So in today's video, we are going to do 6 unboxing Chucky dolls. Well, technically it's 5 Chucky dolls, and I will explain why 5. And I keep looking over here because they're right here, right in front of me, ready to be opened. So I did spend some time on the internet ordering these Chucky dolls. I have this really big box that I can't wait to open. I'm so excited to open this one. And not only do I get to open these Chucky dolls, I actually have a surprise for you guys. I am going to be doing a giveaway just for you Chucky fans, just for my real true Chucky fans who have been truly supporting my channel. You guys are so awesome, you guys are so amazing, and it makes me no more than happy to actually give you guys back something as a thank you. So if you guys want to know what's in the boxes and you guys want to see which Chucky doll I'll be doing a giveaway on, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first big box that I'm gonna open, it's this one right here. I cannot wait to see what's inside. It's this box right here. It's pretty big. So this tells me that it's one of the big Chucky dolls that I order. I think this is one of the plush, and this Chucky doll is used. I bought it through eBay and I'm okay with that. Oh my god, I'm like really nervous. I feel like a kid in Christmas just opening gifts all over again. I'm really excited for this one. I'm trying not to go too deep because I don't want to damage the product. Ooh, there's a note inside. Whoever sent it to me said, "Hi, I'm Chucky and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi ho." What? This is so cool. This is actually bigger than what I expected. Why does it have a cord wrapped around its neck? But holy crap, this guy is so cool. I feel like a little ass kid. You know, this Chucky doll reminds me of my other Chucky doll that I have. Let me get it. So this is the Chucky doll that I bought. I bought this one off of eBay, and this is the other Chucky doll that I bought off of eBay. And they kind of look the same, but obviously it's not the same. They have different clothing, pretty much about the same height, and they got the same face expression. Wow, this is this is so cool. I really like this. I'm so happy I bought this one. Yay! Alright guys, so let's move on to the next box. And this one's a little bit smaller, so I'm not sure what's in here yet. So let's open it up. I'm so curious to see what's in here. I saw it. I saw what it is. Oh my god, this is so cool. Holy crap. These are so cute. Wow, I'm loving this. I'm really liking these. These are so cool. Wow, I'm really happy with this purchase. These are definitely cool collectibles. Like, this is something you could just display. I really can't wait to display these, so I'm really happy with this too. Cool. All right guys, moving on to the next box, and that one's gonna be this really big box. I think I know what's in here, but wow, I didn't think it would come in such a big box. I really can't wait to see this. Like, this is probably one that I have been dying to open. I'm really excited for this. Okay, comes with all this paper. Very well secure. I appreciate that. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Hold on, let me put this box down. Holy moly, he looks crazy. Wow, this Chucky doll is so cool. So I bought this Chucky doll from eBay also. I was actually bidding on this Chucky doll on eBay, and I'm so glad that I won. Holy crap. Now I know that the box, the little window right here, it is cracked, and I mean, it's busted. Obviously the person who sold it on eBay did say and show in the pictures that it was busted, but honestly I really don't mind. I mean, it's still gonna look cool when I prop it up. Wow, this is definitely gonna be one of my favorite ones now. Like, probably one of my top favorite ones. Probably because I haven't never seen this in person. I've always wanted to get this, and I just never were able to get my hands on it. And I'm just glad that I finally was able to get my hands on this guy right here. I like the design of the box. I'm a huge fan of packaging, especially when it comes down to Chucky and obviously makeup. But this is really nice, and I think this is also like an old school Chucky doll. I think this probably came out 2001, so this is about 17 years old. Holy crap. So if this was created in 2001, that means this doll right here is 17 years old. Wow, 17 years old. I have a 17-year-old Chucky doll in front of me. Gold. I'm really happy with this purchase too. Alright, so the next one I'm gonna open is this medium box right here. It's a little bit heavy. Now this one, I'm really not sure which one this is, but let's find out. You know what else I can't wait? I can't wait for the Trick or Treat Studios Good Guy doll that they're coming out with. That comes out this month. Well, the pre-orders come out this month, and I'm beyond happy. Okay, ready? Oh my god, that's what this is. Oh my god, this is so cool. So as you can see, I bought 2 Chucky dolls, 2 boxes, and I am like freaking out. I'm so excited to play with these. Well, not really play with them, but you know what I mean. So actually these came from China. I also bought them through eBay, but these are from China. The boxes are a little bit damaged, but that's okay. I know from China, long ass trip to get to the US, so. But wow, these are pretty damn good. So I'm gonna take one because these are not taped from the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one. I'm just gonna open it. I know it's lost its value. It didn't. Not for this one. We're just gonna take it out of the box. So as you can see, it comes like in this little plastic container. And I don't know if you can see this, but it comes with 2 hands, extra hands. So I'm guessing you could take these 2 other out and you could pose it with a knife or a gun. Okay, so this little thing is so cool. Wow, it actually feels heavy. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic quality. Holy crap. I'm really liking this Chucky doll. The paint job on it, it's definitely not lazy paint job. I'm gonna try to do a close-up of this one so you guys can see. But wow, I'm really happy with this one. So I can tell you right now that this is actually a really cool Chucky doll to have, to just own, and I can't wait to display this behind me for my collection. Alright guys, moving on to the last box. The last but not least is this medium box here. But you know what? Before we open this, let me just tell you which one of these Chucky dolls I'm gonna do a giveaway on. Alright guys, so I promised that I was going to be doing Chucky doll giveaways, and today is a giveaway video. So what Chucky doll am I going to be giving away? The first Chucky doll giveaway that I'm going to be doing is on, drum roll please, these little cute guys right here. So I will be giving away these two as a pair to one of you lucky Chucky fans. I really like these. These are really cute. I actually bought another set, but my set hasn't gotten here just yet. But yeah, this is gonna be one giveaway for you guys. So yes guys, this is the first giveaway. This is gonna be giveaway number 1. Alright guys, so the second Chucky doll that I'm going to be giving away is, of course, one of these cute little guys. As you saw, I do have two, so one of them's for me and the other one's gonna be for you. So this right here will be Chucky doll giveaway number 2. Alright guys, moving on to the next Chucky giveaway, and this is not a Chucky doll, but it's actually a Chucky item, and that item is none other than the Chucky DVD collection. Now I know there's a lot of Chucky fans who like watching the Chucky movies and probably can't afford to buy a whole collection, so I decided to get the DVD collection. I actually have the Blu-ray collection myself. So if you want to win the Chucky DVD collection, then this is going to be my Chucky giveaway number 3. Alright guys, so let's talk about how you can enter to win any of these Chucky prizes, and it's pretty much simple. All you gotta do is pretty much be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and just leave me a comment. Also, you gotta be 18 years or older or have a parent consent, especially if you're gonna enter for the movie, because this is a rated R movie and I do not want to get in trouble with anyone's parents. This giveaway is only for my real true Chucky subscribers and obviously the real true Chucky fans. I will be announcing the winner in just 2 weeks because I want to give people the chance to be able to catch up to my videos. I know a lot of people are not on the internet every single day watching YouTube videos because, you know, life is busy. And this giveaway is going to be worldwide. I don't care if you're in China, if you're in France, if you're in England, if you're in Mexico. This giveaway is for anyone who has been supporting my channel and who's a true Chucky fan. Don't forget that when you do leave a comment, that you leave on the comment which item you want to win, whether it's item number 1, item number 2, or item number 3. After that, my team will send you a private message to get your shipping information and to verify that you are 18 years or older or that you have parent consent. I gotta say though, since the last time I did my Hello Kitty giveaway, there was a lot of people who entered the giveaway. So my team is pretty much gonna be checking comments every single day just so we could be fair with everyone. One more thing, if you do not win this giveaway, please don't be discouraged. I will be doing a lot more Chucky doll giveaways throughout the entire year, all the way till December, so don't get discouraged because there will be more giveaways coming soon. So this is the warm-up. But alright guys, we have pretty much reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys had fun watching me opening these Chucky dolls, and I really hope that you guys are excited for this Chucky giveaway because honestly, you are the reason why I'm doing these Chucky giveaways. These giveaways are pretty much as a thank you to you guys. Thank you for continuing to support my channel. But alright guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe, and click that bell button to get notified for my next video. But alright guys, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Oh hey, you made it all the way to the end of the video. Like, literally all the way at the end of the video. And you're probably wondering, hey, you forgot that other box. Are you talking about this box? I didn't forget this box, but let's just say that the stuff in this box is gonna be another surprise. So stay tuned because you do not want to miss what's in this box. You don't want to miss this.